Hey guys, welcome to the video. Thank you guys for watching and for being here. I appreciate all the love and support. I know in the last video I wasn't feeling too well as I was feeling lonely on the road, but I had a chance to hang out with some friends and some family this past week and increase my social media. So we're doing some car camping, like actual camping, like in the middle of nowhere, like agricultural area near a river. I'm going to do the car camping with Justin and Aubrey. I know Justin from a long time back. Alright, so we got some off-road stuff we're going through right now. It actually just rained, so there's a rainbow. If you can see it. But since we're going off-roading, we're going to go to Dynamics and press off-road assist. Bam. Got my setup right here, and they got the roof tent right there. Okay, so here's my setup. Got the bed platform. Everything's not set up yet, but we'll do it later today. Alright, so now we have some lights over here. So sick. Okay guys, so we are cooking up some spaghetti over here at the campsite. We got our water, our kettle boiling, and then we're gonna pull this out and yeah, make some good old spaghetti in the back of the car. Here we go.
Like make the ground turkey at home?
Yeah.
Or is it beef or ground turkey?
Ground beef. Yeah.
Oh, ground beef.
Ground beef?
The real deal.
The real deal. And then we got the Trader Joe's tomato basil.
I would say
Do it
it's
again.
like almost there.
Again.
Do it again. Hot as
Oh
fuck.
my god, you tried one noodle, not a whole thing.
It's too many.
You're gonna throw it at your car?
Probably a little longer.
Throw it at your car, see if it sticks.
Boil water.
Boil water.
What the hell? That's annoying. No,
The TP method.
Like, you think it'll be cold?
no, like just comfortable vibes. I'm not.
Whoa.
It looks like a legitimate fire now. Come on. Give the credit where it's due.
We got a nice and toasty one. Taste test. Oh. So camping with friends has brought my social meter up, and my happiness meter up. I think I'm an extrovert and an introvert at the same time, but I don't know. I think I get my energy from others. And what I noticed, what I said in my last video was happiness is only real when shared. And so when you have these experiences with others, it kind of makes you feel not like alone. And don't be jealous that I have a good marshmallow and you don't. Okay guys, so we are in what you call the camp mode. So this is the Tesla and we're sleeping in it, camping actually in an actual camping spot. Just to give you all a little context, it is about 51 degrees right now and we're putting it on high temperature, climate control. You can also use the app and put the camp mode on. So we're gonna heat this baby up and also gonna close this thing. So I have a moonroof that encloses automatically sunshade. Shameless plug, it's at evbase.com. You can use the code Nico20 to get 20% off. But I'm gonna close this shade to help insulate the whole entire car. Also got my window covers up because I want to keep that insulated too as well. So I'm gonna put this thing on, give you all context. So that will keep everything insulated, so that way the cold does not get in. Well, it's looking pretty nice in here, man. Pretty spacious. And we're gonna go ahead on to bed, wake up in the morning, and yeah. Good morning, guys. Had a good night rest. Slept about 8 hours. Currently like 9 o'clock in the morning. Sunday, November 23rd. We're gonna make some coffee this morning. So This is the portable espresso machine by Outden. You can take it anywhere and anytime you'd like. I chose mine at a campsite. After the night of having a campfire, it was really cool to wake up in the morning and smell fresh grounds of coffee. I literally made the back of my Tesla a coffee shop. It's super convenient to carry around, and it's also really easy to use. You just twist a few caps and then you're able to put some water on the top. And after you put the lid on top, you're going to hold the button for 2 seconds, to which then the espresso is going to brew. And there you have it, fresh espresso in the middle of nowhere. If you want to get this product, go to outden.com, use my discount code Nico to get you 10% at checkout. Yo, what's up guys? I just want to hop on here and say thank you guys for supporting the vibe and the journey. It's almost Thanksgiving, so Thanksgiving is actually tomorrow, and I just want to say I appreciate you watching this video and just the journey that we have been on, like from getting laid off to working at GNC to quitting and doing full-time YouTube to traveling across the whole, like not whole US, but like partial of the US, right? And I'm just like super like thankful for doing this thing full-time. I mean, it's always been a dream of mine to be a full-time content creator. But I also want to say thank you for the people who have actually bought a Tesla because of this YouTube channel. And it's 7 people, so I want to shout all of them out. The first one was Eddie, so shout out to Eddie for buying a Model Y. Sunny, Kibra, Beverly, Lone, Francis, all bought a Model Y. And the last one, 7th one, is Travis. He bought a Model 3. So welcome to the Tesla family. I mean, I'm super biased on buying a Tesla, but hey, you got climate control, you got full self-drive, you got a lot of space, you got the moonroof, you got, you know, a frunk, you don't have an engine, maintenance is super low. So all the good things with a Tesla. I'm super biased, but hey, a Tesla is a great drive, a great car, great company, because they are accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy, which is basically making the world a better place. One of my favorite quotes is, always leave the place better than you found it. And Tesla is basically doing that by building a sustainable future. And I already see the hate comments already, like, hey man, Tesla laid you off, they did you wrong, and all that stuff, right? But hey, I actually referred people into the program, and 7 people, over $200,000 worth of revenue for Tesla. Yeah, I got laid off, but now I'm actually giving the company, you know, revenue and stuff like that. I like to think about it as like kill them with kindness, right? It's like, what are you doing with the cards that you're dealt with, right? You cannot always control the situation, but you can 100% how you control how you react to it. So I could have reacted in a bad way. I could have said, you know, bad things about Tesla, but no, I'm actually getting Tesla revenue by repping the brand and supporting the vibe of sustainability and stuff like that. And my message here is, you know, to be kind, to be grateful, to be thankful, and to spread positive vibes and stuff. You know, I know last video I wasn't doing so well on the mental aspect, right? So here's a little twist of being like thankful and grateful for actually having the opportunity to actually do this thing, YouTube full time, and just being a full-time content creator, and you know, keeping it real on the channel and stuff. I really do think that, you know, we're all not gonna be happy 100% of the time. We're all not gonna be, you know, like motivation go, right? And it's okay. It's what makes us human, right? We go through our ups, our highest highs, and our lowest lows. But, you know, as long as we try our best, right, that's what matters. There's this quote from the TV show Friday Night Lights. It says, every man is going to lose a battle. He's going to fight, and he's going to lose. But amidst that battle, he does not lose himself. this game is not over, this battle's not over, and you know, we got to go forward. So that was like the quote that stuck through my head through a TV show. It was like a football show. So, you know, do your best, be your best, be more, dream more, and you know, spread positive vibes. So thank you guys for watching. We'll catch y'all in the next video. And thank you guys for the 7 people. Thank you guys for ordering your Tesla through my referral link. And yeah, just the whole vibe of Thanksgiving. Thank you for being here. See you guys. If you want to support the channel, you could go to patreon.com/Nico Murillo. You could support $5, $10, or $15, where I post weekly uploaded videos before they even come out. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video.